Okay, so when you subscribe to our fractional CMO plan, what happens is we set you up with a project management portal that looks exactly like this, which will be custom branded to your company and your company colors. And basically what happens is we sit down together once a month or twice a month, and we strategize about what you need for your business in regards to setting up your CRM, automating your business, and or setting up some marketing strategies. So in our meetings, basically you'll sit down with me, and as we're discussing what's important to you and basically what you need done, we're creating these little tasks, which you can call task cards. And so, for example, let's say you don't have an email sequence, but you really want one. And so what we'll discuss is, hey, well, you've got a great website, you've got some really good content here, you've got a PDF, you've got an ebook, you've got this landing page, white paper, whatever it is. And we say, hey, we can create an email sequence out of that. And so you might say, hey, yep, I want that done. And so we'll create a task card that says, hey, create an email sequence. I'll assign that to one of our team members. We'll put a due date on that as to when that needs to be completed. And basically, our VAs will track their own time. So they'll log in and track the time that it takes to do that task. And then in the description here, we'll put in exactly what needs to be done for this particular task to be completed. So that'll have like your website on there. It'll have some video instructions from me to the VA as to how they're supposed to cut up your website to turn it into an email sequence. All of the comments and the back and forth commentary are within its own task card. So we keep it confined within its own task card. And then if you need to, we can attach files, we can add subtasks to the task, so on and so forth. So what happens is each task basically has its own task card, and the timing of that task is recorded at the task level, okay? And so basically we sit down for that meeting and you get that done. So let me just get rid of this. And so the other thing that we've done for our clients to make things easier is we've got a whole bunch of task cards that are pretty much ready to go. And these are more about just giving you ideas on, the sort of tasks that you can get done. So, website tasks, automations and workflow tasks, integration tasks, form building tasks, data tasks, okay, AI chatbot tasks, copywriting tasks, graphic design tasks. So if you click on that, it'll open up a whole bunch of different task cards that are already like pre-designed. And so that'll give you an idea. Oh yeah, I wouldn't mind getting a YouTube thumbnail done, or, hey, I need to create a logo for my business, whatever it is. Basically that's why we've got all of those task cards ready to go, so that you don't have to start from scratch. But what happens is you're going to have 4 different columns. And so you have your agency task to do. So this is where you can actually go in and even just create your own task to allocate and to delegate that task to us. So that's the agency task to-do list. This is the client task to-do list. So sometimes what will happen is we need you to complete certain things for us to be able to do the work. So that's sort of like us telling you, hey, can you guys do this for us? You need to get your website developer to install this code. You need to, embed this Google, widget, or this code onto your website, whatever it is. That's sort of our, instructions to you. And then these are all the completed tasks that we want you to review. So the yellow means that, hey, we've completed the task, but we're going to put it in this column so that you can review it and make sure you're happy with it. And then once you're happy with it, you just move it to task completed. And that's pretty much the end of that task. So in a nutshell, that's how our portal works. That's how our CMO fractional marketing model works. You basically sit down with me. I figure out everything that we need to do in your business. We write those tasks down in the project portal, and then our VAs will pick it up and do the task for you. Thanks. Hopefully that makes sense. Bye.